So here we have the mini hatchback on a 62 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see, given the nature of the vehicle, we've got a decent amount of boot space there. You can increase this space should you wish to though, by folding down either or both of the rear folding seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We've got the rev counter, as you can see, the digital readout for the speedometer in the centre of that. And then beneath that, the total miles for this car. They're 73,756. You can change information there by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk, which is just here. Over into the centre, we have the main speedometer, the fuel gauge, and then your main stereo, where you can access your AM/FM radio, DAB radio, CD player, auxiliary input and USB input. You can also there access your onboard computer, along with a couple of other menus for things like mini customer service phone numbers, just here. Below that, we have the CD player and then the climate control. So you can adjust the fan speed from here, the temperature, the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set. All hit auto. The car will now take full control of everything for you to maintain the temperature you've asked for. We have our electric windows, front and rear fog lights, deadlock so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside, auxiliary and USB inputs, 2 cup holders, a 12-volt charging socket, and the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.